This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You will begin by powering the phone down and removing the SIM tray so nothing shorts. This matters. Once done, apply gentle heat around the rear seam to soften adhesive, and use a plastic pick to lift the back. You want controlled, even pressure so the glass won't crack. Make sure to keep screws and small parts in a tray by step order. You're not guessing. Follow the seams and keep the screen face down on a soft cloth to continue safely. You now disconnect the battery first. This prevents shorts and preserves components. That's why it's critical. Next, remove shield plates to expose the volume flex cable and bracket. Inspect the flex for kinks, corrosion, or a torn trace. If the cable is intact, clean the connectors with 90% isopropyl on a lint-free swab, dry fully, then reseat gently. If you find physical damage or lifted pads, prepare to replace the volume button assembly. This is usually the only permanent fix. You should reconnect the battery and reattach shields, tightening screws evenly but not overdriving them. That prevents future fractures. Once the back is resealed and adhesive set, boot the Oppo and test the volume rocker for both up and down across calls and media. You want consistent response. If it still fails, immediately power down and reopen to verify connector seating, then try a known good flex cable if available. If problems persist after that, seek a professional repair, because further solder-level work may be required.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.